Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.2-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, cloth bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.